Hey, good afternoon, more Medic One. Today we're going to do a little unboxing of the Harbor Freight item number 60790. Well, I'm looking for my destructions. They're not in the box. Ah, there they are. Let me get all this trash picked up and skim through the instructions, and we'll start putting this thing together. Well, basically it comes with 4 flat washers and 2 cotter pins, and that's for the big 6-inch wheels and axle assembly. So basically you just, here's the bottom tray, you're going to feed your axle through. You're going to slide a washer, wheel, another washer, and a cotter pin, and just repeat the process for the other side. The only hardware you got left is just a handful of nuts and bolts and washers in their 10mm. Let me run out to the shop and get my little rattle gun so we can zip these on. Your front wheels mount here, 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. Go ahead and get these 4 cinched down. The rest of it's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to let the camera roll, and we are going to put this thing together. I have not tightened any bolts yet. Everything is just still hand tight. If you tighten them up prematurely, you'll never get all your bolts in the holes. Tighten it up when you're all done assembling it. You can always go back. Tighten all your screws. Go ahead and tighten up all your nuts and bolts. Well, there we have it, all put together. I like this one because you can put a bottle on the back. However, my welding machine is it's a Lincoln Procore 100. I've had for a long time, and it's a flux core welder, but it is adaptable to be used with gas. But We'll just use that for storage. I like it because I can put my heavy duty extension cord on the bottom. I can put my welding helmet under there. I like it. Good job, Harbor Freight. If you have any questions about this welding cart, let me know. More Medic 1. Y'all have a good day.